Now we would like to welcome our speaker, Priya Sharma. Priya Sharma is Associate Test Manager at Pratham Software. Priya would be delivering an interactive talk session on immersive testing in action, redefining quality for a connected world. Over to you, Priya ma'am.
Welcome, Priya, and we are
Thank you
glad to
so
have you
much.
as a speaker. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm sharing my. Please let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, Hi everyone. I'm Priya Sharma, Associate Test Manager and Management System Representative at Pratham Software, which is an IT organization based in Jaipur. So it's a pleasure, truly pleasure to be here with all of you at ATA GTR 25. I would like to begin my by congratulating ATA on completing an incredible 10 years journey. A heartfelt thank to the entire ATA team, the organizing committee, the jury members, the social media, and the hosting team, and of course, all the amazing speakers we heard yesterday and today. And lastly, a big thank to the wonderful audience for being here and making the event so special. I have attended ATR GTR many times as an audience member, but this time marks my first time stepping onto the stage as a speaker. So today I'm exciting to take you on a journey into a concept that transforming the way we think about software quality, that is immersive testing. Our world is moving towards hyperconnectivity, smart homes, wearables, autonomous cars, virtual workplaces, AR shopping, digital twins of cities. This means technology is no longer just something we use, it is something we continuously experience. And when experience becomes the center of technology, testing must evolve as well. Today, I want to show how I want to show you how immersive testing help us validate not just whether features work, but how well they work in a dynamic, messy, unpredictable real world. So, by the end of this talk, I hope to leave you with a new mindset that testing the experience is just as important as testing the functionality. So, here's what we are going to explore today. I will begin by explaining what immersive testing really means and why it is very different from the traditional testing approaches. We will then look at its key characteristics. After that, we will go through the different immersive technologies driving this change. Once we understand the technologies, I will share some practical examples where immersive testing is already making a difference. Then we will talk about why immersive testing is becoming essential, even unavoidable in a connected world. We will also touch on limitations because no approach is perfect. And finally, wrap up with a comparison overview and some key takeaways that summarize the mindset shift we need in QA. So let's start with a big question: what exactly the immersive testing? So immersive testing is a next generation approach that goes beyond verifying buttons, fields, and API responses. Instead, it is focused on validating how a system behaves in a real life environments, across connected ecosystems, and in the presence of real human behavior. Today's digital and ecosystem are no longer isolated. Your smartwatch talks to your phone talks to your car talks to the cloud. So all of these is influenced by the environment. Traditional testing evaluates an app or device in isolation, but in the real world, user interact with interconnected system under variables like motion, weather, noise, stress, accessibility needs, and even emotion state. Immersive testing recognizes that a smart home device that works perfectly in a lab may completely fail in a noisy kitchen or during a Wi Fi drop. It ensures we test the full ecosystem like devices, network, API, cloud services, wearable sensors, and human interactions. It shifts our mindset from does it work to does it work for people in the world they are connected, they are actually living it. Immersive testing stands for on four important pillars. The first is contractual awareness. Technology behaves differently in different environments. So immersive testing accounts for environmental factors like lighting, motion, humidity, noise, GPS accuracy, or even network in fluctuations. We validate system as they are meant to be used, not how we wish they would be used. The next is cross reality validation. So in today's ecosystem, devices needs to operate across physical and digital realities. For example, a phone app controlling a VR device, AR handsets controlling with IoT sensors, a smartwatch syncing with cloud health dashboards. So immersive testing ensures consistency across these blended realities. The third one is emotional and behavioral analysis. So, this is a major differentiator. We are not only testing did the user complete the task, we also ask was it comfortable, was it intuitive, how did it cause consecutive overload, did the user trust the system responses, could elderly users or children use it comfortably. So, human emotions has become a quality attribute. And the fourth one is digital twins and simulation models. Digital twins lets us create highly accurate replicas of real world systems. For example, the entire home, factories, or even smart cities. So, immersive testing uses these to validate behaviors under extreme weather conditions, changing traffic patterns, system failures, or peak loads. And this allows us to safely test scenarios that are too risky or too expensive to recreate physically. Immersive technologies presents a powerful evaluation in how we interact with digital content. Unlikely traditional screens or interfaces, these technologies blend physically or virtual environments to create experience where the users feel genuinely present, engaged, and are deeply involved. At their core, immersive technologies aim to make interaction more naturally, intuitive, and experimental. They can stimulate reality entirely, enhance the real world with digital layers, or merge both worlds into a seamless hybrid. This shift transforms how people learn, work, collaborate, and explore digital spaces. With the broader categories of immersive technologies, there are four major types that shapes most modern experiences. The first one is immersive virtual worlds, IVWs or metaverses. Persistent digital environments where users interact through avatars, digital virtual assets, and shared spaces. Second one is virtual reality, a fully immersive environment that replaces the user's physical surroundings with a 3D virtual world experienced through headsets. Third is augmented reality, AR, technology that overlays digital information and objects into the real world through mobile devices or smart glasses. Fourth one is mixed reality, the most advanced blend where real and virtual elements interact with each other in real time, enabling holograms to align with and respond to the physical environment. Each of these technologies offer unique capabilities, limitations, and testing and requirements. And understanding these differences is key to evaluate quality in immersive system. In the next set of slides, we will go through each technology one by one, exploring how it works and where it is used and what makes testing these immersive experience both challenging and essential. So first one, we talk about the immersive virtual worlds or metaverses. These are fully digital spaces where users interact with each other through avatars. Unlike a simple game or simulation, these worlds are persistent, meaning they continue to evolve even when you log off. From virtual shopping mall to digital training cities, IVWs are becoming platform for education, commerce, and corporate collaborations. When testing metaverse's environment, we focus on key scenarios such as handling large-scale concurrent users with thousands of avatars interacting in the real time, verifying the virtual economy, including purchases, currency conversion, or an asset transfer, ensuring avatars behavior accuracy like proper collision detection or movements without glitches, checking voice and subtitle audio quality, especially latency and potential sound cues, running safety and moderation test to detect offensive gesture, voice, or behavior, validating cross-device consistency across VR headsets, mobiles, and PCs, confirming environment persistence, ensuring that changes remain intact even after users leaves and return. So testing them requires thinking on a massive scale. Next is virtual reality. So, virtual reality provides a full immersive 3D environment where user interact through handsets, controllers, and full body movements. Because VR replaces the user's entire field of view, the exceptions of realism and responsiveness and comfort are significantly higher than in traditional digital interfaces. So when we test VR systems, we aren't just checking the functionality, we are evaluating motion accuracy, latency, and overall user comfort. Even a small delay between a handset head movement and a display update can cause discomfort or even nausea. So performance and responsiveness become critical quality factor. VR is be used in high stake environments such as surgical trainings, automotive prototyping, and aviation simulation. In these scenarios, the level of immersion and precision of the system directly affect both user safety and the practical value of the experience. So, a misalignment or tracking error could lead to incorrect training outcome or unsafe user responses. So, real world examples where these testing principles apply include flight simulator used for the pilot training, VR surgery training platforms that teaches precise medical procedures, VR gaming where responsiveness and immersion defines user enjoyment, virtual showrooms in automotive or real estate industries where user explore products in the lifelike environments. So key test scenarios includes like latency measurements between the user head's movement and the display refresh. This is essential to prevent motion sickness and ensure smooth interaction. Second is motion tracking accuracy, especially during rapid changes in directions or speeds where tracking errors become most noticeable. Third is hand and controller interaction test, ensuring user can reliably select, manipulate, or move virtual objects with precision. Fourth is room scale VR boundary testing, which help prevent users from physically walking into walls or furniture when immersed into the experience. Next is calibration check for critical handset settings like eye tracking, IPD, which is also known as interpupillary distance, and overall fit. All of these influences clarity and comfort. The next is realistic physical simulation. It can it is verifying behaviors such as object throwing, gravity, weight, or the collision reactions. Scenario-based simulations, including the medical procedures, flight operations, firefighting, or driving to ensure training environments are accurate and safe. So VR looks at safety because VR is increasingly used in medicine, aviation, firefighting, and automotive design. A 10 ms delay is in AVR may not matter in a game, but in surgical simulation, it could be a difference between realistic training and a dangerous learning gap. So, overall testing VR requires a deep focus on realism, safety, precision, and comfort because the effectiveness of the entire experience hinges on how seamlessly the virtual world responds to the user. Next is augmented reality or AR enhances the real world by overlaying digital and elements into physical surroundings. Unlike VR, where user enter a fully virtual environment, AR blend the real and digital world, which means accuracy and stability in the real-time condition are crucial for a believable experience. When testing AR, our goal is to validate how well digital objects stay aligned, anchored, and responsive as user move, rotate their devices, or interact with different environments. So if digital content drift, shakes, or misaligns, the entire AR experience break down. AR is used across a wide range of industries like retail, navigation, gaming, industrial workflows, and each context brings unique challenges. Because AR experience takes place in dynamic, unpredictable real world environments. Testers must pay special attention to stability, usability, and real world accuracy. Common real world examples of AR application include IKEA places, where user preview virtual furniture inside their actual rooms, AR navigation overlays used in airport, malls, and city streets, AR maintenance workflows in the factories, guiding techniques with virtual instructions overlaid on machinery, AR try-on experience for glasses, clothing, or makeup, helping user visualize products before purchase. And key test scenarios include the object alignment and tracking, ensuring digital objects remain stable even when user move quickly or rotate their devices abruptly. Second is lighting sensitive test, verifying performance in low light, indoor lighting, bright sunlight, or mixed lighting conditions where shadow or glare affects tracking. Detection accuracy makes making sure that the AR can correctly detect or anchor objects on various surface types, such as carpet, wood, tile, or textured material. The third one is AR object scaling validation, which is especially important for retail and furniture placement app, where objects must appear realistically sized in the physical spaces. The next is navigation overlays, such as AR arrows or directions, must remain stable on real world streets, hallways, or airport corridors, while lightning and user movement constantly changes. The next is multi-user AR synchronization ensures that the shared AR experience like collaborative design or gaming remain consistent and aligned across multiple devices. The next is camera obstruction testing, examines low how dust, fingerprints, or partial blockage affects tracking accuracy and overall experience stability. So, overall, AR testing is about ensuring that digital content behaves naturally in unpredictable real world environments. Stability, accuracy, and responsiveness are the pillars that determine whether an AR experience feels magically or break immersion entirely. So, here we examine how objects behave in dim light or harsh sunlight, whether they can stay anchored when the user moves quickly, whether AR instructions remain readable in motion, um, and whether user across different devices experience the same alignment quality in and it works under industries like retail, manufacturing, maintenance, logistics, and gaming heavily rely on AR, making immersive testing essential. Next is mixed reality, that is MR. So MR represents the next evaluation in immersive technology. Unlike VR, which replace reality, or AR, which overlays digital element, MR blend the physical and virtual world so that digital objects genuinely interact with the real surface and the environment. Testing MR is significantly more complex, however, because it is require validating how accurately the system understands and maps the real world. This includes septical mapping, hand tracking precision, occultation handling, and multi-user synchronization. Any weakness in these areas can immediately break immersion or reduce the tool's effectiveness. MR is used in environments where accuracy matters deeply. So, medical visualization, industrial workflow, and training scenarios. In these contexts, the realism and the reliability of interaction directly influence user trust, training outcomes, and even safety. So, if a surgeon relies on a holographic model or a technician depends upon a holographic instructions, errors are not simply inconvenient. They can lead to incorrect decisions as well. Common examples where MR is making a major impact includes HoloLens surgical guidance, where surgeons view holographic anatomy aligned with the patient bodies. MR industries assembly guidance show up step-by-step instructions overlaid on the real equipment. And the key MR test scenarios include multi-user MR collaboration, such as multiple surgeons or technicians viewing and interacting with the same virtual model in a shared physical spaces. Septical mapping accuracy, ensuring the system correctly detect room layout, walls, furniture, and the obstacles. So holograms align naturally with the real world. Gesture recognition and the hand tracking validates that the user can precisely select, grab, rotate, or manipulate holograms through natural movements. Occlusion testing confirmed that the virtual objects hide behind real objects when appropriate, critical for realism and depth perception. Hologram anchoring stability, checking that the digital elements stay in peace even as users walk around the room or changing their perspectives. Interaction between the real and virtual objects, such as placing holograms on the actual table or aligning virtual tools with the real machines. Real time remote sorry remote assistance, where experts annotates real world objects through MR, requiring low latency, accurate alignment, and stable tracking. So, in summary, reality testing centers on ensuring that virtual and physical worlds interact seamlessly. Uh, when done well, MR creates experience that feel natural, reliable, and intuitive, and unlocking powerful new capabilities across healthcare industry and training. Let's dive into a real world example to see immersive testing in action. So let's look at the smart home, one of the most common ecosystem today. In modern smart home, expect multiple IoT devices such as thermostats, security cameras, and voice assistants to work together effortlessly. The challenge, however, is that all these devices must sync seamlessly even while operating on different protocols, networks, or hardware capabilities. This is where immersive testing becomes essential. Instead of testing each device in isolation, we simulate real life scenarios where the entire ecosystem is stressed, disturbed, or pushed into edge conditions. These tests allows us to understand not just how individual device behaves, but how well the system as a whole maintains reliability. So one key test involves simulating network drops while streaming a security camera feed. This helps us observe how quickly the device adapts and whether the feed freezes or degrades gracefully, and how well the system recovers when the connection is restored. Another crucial test is evolving the voice assistant performance in noisy and challenging environments. So real homes aren't quiet. They have kids, appliances, background TV noise, and user speaks with different accents, tones, or speech patterns. So testing under these conditions ensures that the assistants remain accurate and responsive for all users, not just idle scenarios. So we also focus on device resynchronization after outage, such as power loss or the router resets. So, in a true smart home ecosystem, devices should reconnect automatically, restore previous states, and resume functionality without requiring minimal intervention. So, this behavior is the key to delivering a reliable and frustration free user experience. The overall impact of immersive IoT testing is significant. It directly enhances reliability because user can trust their devices to work even when conditions aren't perfect. Second one is peace of mind, especially when devices like security cameras or thermostats play a critical role in home safety and comfort. The user trust, which is ultimately what determines whether someone continue investing in a smart home ecosystem or abandon it. So, in summary, immersive testing of IoT ecosystem ensures that the smart homes experiences feel effortless, dependable, and empowering, even when the real world conditions are unpredictable. When we don't trust, where we don't just test if devices work, we test how they recover, how they reconnect, and how they behave under imperfect conditions. This leads to better reliability and higher user trust. Sorry. So next example is in the AVR AR VR shopping app. So in retail, these two are transforming the customer experience. One of the biggest challenge in digital retail today is delivering accurate and comfortable virtual try-on experience, whether customers are trying on glasses, makeup, shoes, or full outfit. The technology needs to feel natural, precise, and trustworthy to truly replace or enhance the in-store experience. Immersive testing plays a crucial role in achieving this. The first area we focus on is cross-device platform. Customer may use smartphones, AR glasses, or even VR headsets. Or each device has a different camera, sensors, processing power, and screen qualities. So, testing across these variety assures the consistent and reliable experience, no matter what device the shopper uses. Another essential part of testing is validating the 3D rendering under different lighting conditions. The real world environments vary. Bright sunlight, indoor lighting, shadow, or dim rooms can all impact camera based tracking. So, we need to ensure that the virtual items remain correctly aligned, realistically shaded, and true to color in all lighting scenarios. We also closely evaluate motion comfort for experience that involve head movements or the full body viewing. Even small delays or instability can cause discomfort, dizziness, or motion sickness. Ensuring smooth, low latency tracking is critical for customer comfort, and especially on devices with limited hardware capabilities. So, additionally, we simulate the poor connectivity during the key moments, such as product loading or the checkout process. Many users shop on mobile network or inconsistent Wi-Fi. We need to understand how the system behaves under slow or unstable connections. Does the experience gracefully degrade, pause, or recover? So, this testing ensures that the user do not abandon these purchases out of frustration. So when these immersive testing steps are executed well, the impact is extremely valuable. Brands are able to deliver shopping experience that are safe and comfortable, reduce chance of motion discomfort and mistracking, engaging and enjoyable, keeping customer interested and exploring products, trustworthy, giving user confidence that what they will see will match what they receive. Ultimately, strong virtual try-on experience not only increase customer satisfaction, they also boost loyalty and reduce product returns, create a direct and measurable business benefit. There's one more example I have taken, that is for the healthcare wearables. These are very common these days. So one of the most critical challenge in healthcare technology is ensuring continuous and accurate monitoring of patient vitals. These devices, whether wearable bedside monitors or the home care sensors, must perform flawlessly because cleanliness rely on these data to make timely and potentially life-saving decisions. So immersive testing become essential because real patient does not exist in controlled idle conditions. So their body change, temperature, moisture level, movements, and device must still capture accurate reading. So one of the first thing we test is device accuracy under the varying body condition, such as sweating, shifting posture, or physical movements. And these factors can interface with sensors, so we can simulate them to ensure real world reliability. There are many more examples, and then when emerging testing is done truly, the impact is profound. So patient safety increases because data remains accurate and available even under difficult conditions. Reliable diagnosis in um, is supported by consistent, trustworthy vital sign reading. Regulatory compliances become achievable as health devices must meet strict standards for accuracy and data integrity before they can be used with the real patients. So, in summary, immersive testing ensures that the patient monitoring systems remain safe, dependable, and effective in the real world medical environment, ultimately leading to the better outcome and stronger trust in the healthcare technologies. When we talk
Priya,
about
time check. You're almost done. You got one more
yes,
minute to wrap up. Okay.
yeah, sure. So, why immersive testing matters? So, when we talk about the modern digital products, so one thing is clear: user now expect seamless, intuitive, and interrupted experience, whether they are interacting with the smart home devices, navigating a connected car, or using AR VR applications. Any frictions or failure immediately affects satisfaction, and immersive testing addresses the gap by this gap by validating product behavior in realistic end-to-end scenarios. Instead of checking whether a test feature simply works, we evaluate how the entire experience hold up the real world condition. There are few limitations. So like any approach, immersive testing has its limitation. It often requires costly hardwares, complex environments, and specialized skills. I will take just one more minute, Aditya, because this is a very broader topic. I just tried to complete in 30 minutes. So one of the limitation is automation coverage is limited because many scenarios involve human emotions, gestures, and unpredictable movements. And the key is to balance immersive testing with traditional methods, using each with it excels. So here is just a comparison study about the traditional testing and immersive testing. So, traditional testing focuses on validating functionality in control environment, wherever immersive testing validates experience in the dynamic real world environments. Traditional testing is predictable and structured, wherever this testing embraces unpredictability because real world is unpredictable. Both are crucial, but immersive testing addresses the experience gaps that traditional testing controls. This is the last slide. So, when we talk about immersive testing, it is important to recognize that it goes far beyond traditional defects detection. It is a true power lies in building confidence. Confidence is the in the product. So, in the team and in the experience we deliver. So, immersive testing is not just about checking its feature work. It also validates the real world environments. It asks, does this truly meet the need of users in the context they live and work in? This distinction is critical because users do not interact with isolated feature; they interact with the experience as a whole. So Finally, immersive testing is more than a methodology. It is a mindset. It represents a forward-looking approach that defines the future of quality. When we adopt this mindset, quality is not just a checkpoint; it becomes an integral part of the product journey, shaping outcome and driving innovation. So, in short, immersive testing empowers team to deliver confidence, validate real-world impact, and elevate the technologies into experience that truly resonate. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
If anyone
Priya.
has any
Yeah.
question, please let me
I
know.
think in the interest of time, we don't have anything left for the Q&A, Priya. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
All
Thank
right.
you.
You can thank Harsh. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Priya Sharma, for a wonderful session.
Thank you.